Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding SQL Server development, performance tuning and SSIS and also Power BI and DAX. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report and all. Okay, now you can see that category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales strategy, subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. So understanding relationship, it's very important in Power BI. We'll try to see that is also. Just click on model excuse me, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and fact. For example, if I place the mouse here, we can see that based on the product key, I have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and product. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that a field of propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Like that, we have enabled the relationship between the dimensions and fact. We'll try to speak more on the upcoming videos. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Go to the report, just click on here. Now we can see that this is the chart, this is the slicer. Okay, so here, so we have the year slicer. So here we have the products. Okay, what I'm displaying here is, so I'm just displaying the top 15 products. Okay, I'm just displaying the top 15 products. Even I'm distinguishing between the top 10 products one color and remaining 5 products in different color. Okay, I'm just displaying one color for top 10 products, remaining 5 products I'm displaying the different color. Even you can see that profit also same thing. Okay, I'm displaying the profit for the top 15 products. So based on the slicer selection, it's dynamically give the top 15 products, and also it will distinguish between the top 10 products one color and remaining 5 products are one color. So like that I have written the expression. Okay, just click on any kind of here. So based on that it will give the values. So it works. So we'll try to see what kind of expressions we have written to get these values and all. Go to the demo measures. Now we can see that product sales. Try to zoom it. So now we can see that I have declared one variable. So within this I have using the rank X. I'm just giving the ranking based on the products which are having the sales in descending order. So finally I'm just returning that variable. If the what are the variable less than or equal to 15, it means that we are just taking the ranks below 15. So if it is 15, give the total sales, otherwise return the blank. Okay, so like that I have written the expression for getting the sales. Same thing we have done for the profit also. There is no difference at all, just column name only. So just we have taken the different column measure here, total profit, but in this case I have taken the total sales as a measure, but in this measure I'm just taking as a total profit. Remaining everything is same only. Here also I'm taking the the products which are having below 15 ranks. So I'm just taking. So if it is less than or equal to 15, take the total profit. Otherwise, return the blank. Like that we have written the expression. So based on that it is working. If you want, we can find the total profit, total sales. We'll try to see that is also. Go to the total sales. Now here I am using the calculate sum x function. For total profit also same thing, only the column name is different, and remaining everything is same only. Okay, likewise we have written the expression. So That's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for the videos. Thank you so much for watching.